So you can see in the climate control, like on the back, there's those removable wedge, neo wedge bulbs in the back. So that's the LED I made it myself from different parts. So see, you can see it works. See, just looks brighter. I mean, I will put it in, but I'm doing this video myself. It's kind of hard. See that? If it was night, it looked better. I mean, it looks way brighter at night. Believe me, it looks way better at nighttime. Like you could tell the difference. It's like night and day. It's like, wait, it looks nicer. It looks sick. You know. Same thing for the shifter bulb. Like I put an LED. I just switched the fitting, as I mentioned on my previous video. All this stuff is easy to remove. No, it's no big deal. It comes out like that. You know, you can see it right there. I've done a bunch of LED things to my truck, from the day running lights to the headlights to the fog lights to the signal lights to the brake lights, interior, you name it. I've done it. I haven't messed around with the brake lights yet, but probably will. The third brake light too, I put like 3 little T5, T10 actually, 6K LED white bulbs, so it looks brighter at night, you know. I put some 5K headlights with a little, I have a little fan and a little resistor on it for the headlights. It looks sick at night. It looks all white. But yeah, I've done a bunch of stuff to my truck. I try to make new videos, all this stuff. So, but these ones are, so I see a lot of questions on the internet about this stuff, so I decided to start doing my own things. Now you can tell, right? This looks nice at nighttime. Probably make a video at nighttime so you guys can see the difference. I also made a on my 2007 Tacoma, my day running lights. They're not the signal lights, they're the corner brake lights. So I put on T10 Samsung 6000K white. So I'll show you what I mean. So that right there, that's my day running light. So I'm gonna turn it on. As you can see. See what I mean? This is on my signal lights. Put on some amber CK 357s. It just looks way brighter. It looks sick at night. Like it looks at night, it looks real sick. So yeah, the Tacoma, you can do a lot of things to it. It's a cool thing about it. But on the day running lights, they just plug and play pretty much. It's no resistor needed. You know, for the signal lights you need resistor. Make sure it's a CK polarity. 357 I think is the connector, the wedge. 3157, something like that. But make sure on the signal, on the front signal, turning signal, make sure it's a CK bulb, okay? Otherwise it's gonna pop a fuse. But I hope this video helped you, and go Tacomas.